Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of PSN Talks. Before I go any further, I should say that I am no expert in our today's topic, which is burnout. However, I was able to find a nice article, which is a valuable resource. It's been peer reviewed by quote unquote psychology experts. You can be the judge of that. The link will be in the description. And without further ado, let's get into it. First question: how will you know if you're experiencing burnout? Burnout is a result of prolonged stress. Obviously, stress is normal and it could even be healthy. However, if you feel like you're experiencing stress that doesn't go away or cannot be stopped, that's a strong sign that you're experiencing burnout. When is burnout more likely? I would say if you're stuck doing a task that kind of conflicts with your sense of self, or a task that you were just simply forced to do, like making money, for example, because no matter what, you would consume and spend. And when the way you make money doesn't necessarily make you happy, it can be a source of burnout, at least from my experience. Why does burnout happen? In my experience, burnout happens when I'm overcommitted to a specific task so much that everything else I need to do gets pushed aside. Now, obviously, the commitment is helpful for the goal at hand, but after I do accomplish that goal, I find myself piled up with tasks that should have been easy to do when I had to, if I just did them when I had to. But at that time, like when I have such little time and I've passed on opportunities that I could have taken because I was overcommitted, even the minute tasks that I would not have a problem doing normally can seem very daunting, and I would drag myself into completing them, pulling off late nights and long days when I didn't really have to in the first place. Like, it defies logic, you know? I don't know why that is, but that's just how it plays out when I'm in my burnout phase. I'm not thinking clearly. I'm not working like optimally, and that's kind of what painting the picture looks like. Who can help you when you're burnt out? Well, as effective as self-care is in combating burnout, you often realize it too late. So I would say other people who are looking out for you, people you can trust, and people who want you to succeed. Whoever those are, find them, treasure them, spend time with them, surround yourself with them. Anything, just be with these people. Where can you go if you're burnt out? Well, definitely away from the stressor, whatever is causing you this unending feelings of stress and exhaustion. You have to stay away from it and maybe go somewhere where you think you would find those people mentioned in the question before. What can you do for someone experiencing burnout? This is tough, especially if the person concerned is close to you. But what you need to understand is when a person is experiencing burnout, he or she has a lot on his or her plate. So anything you could do to alleviate that burden would really be appreciated, because sometimes they're so absorbed in their tasks that they just can't see that they're suffering. They know that they should ask for help, but they just aren't because they're not capable of doing so. Like they're far down, and the helping hand needs to like reach for them wherever they are, if that makes sense. So it's tough, but if you really care about the person, it's worth giving a shot. And that is it for today's questions. If you wish to keep this conversation going, you are free to do so in the comments. Also, I would like to extend a big gratitude to Isma and Noah for gifting 4 memberships as of this moment. Because of you, this channel is thriving, and I look forward to serving you people even more. All right? For now, thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.